Hello, I am your nurse today. What is your name? How are you feeling today? Do you have any pain? Where does it hurt? How long have you had this pain? On a scale from 1 to 10, how bad is the pain? Are you feeling better now? Please try to relax. Everything will be okay. I will take care of you. The doctor will see you soon. Please stay calm. I will check your vital signs. Let me check your temperature. I will check your blood pressure. I will check your pulse. Please take a deep breath. Breathe slowly. Try not to move. I need to take a blood sample. This may hurt a little. Please roll up your sleeve. I will give you an injection. You will feel a small pinch. Please lie down on the bed. Turn on your side, please. I will change your bandage. Let me clean the wound. This will help prevent infection. Please do not touch the wound. I will bring your medication. Please take this medicine. Take this medicine twice a day. Take this medicine after food. Drink plenty of water. You need to rest. Please call me if you need help. Press this button if you need assistance. I will come back in a few minutes. Are you comfortable? Do you need anything? Do you feel dizzy? Are you feeling nauseous? Do you have a fever? Please try to sleep. Your test results will come soon. The doctor will explain everything. You are recovering well. Please eat your meal. Do you have any allergies? Are you taking any medication at home? When was your last meal? Do you have diabetes? Do you have heart problems? Have you had surgery before? Please sign this form. I will record your information. Your family can visit later. Visiting hours start at 5 p.m. Call the doctor immediately. The patient needs oxygen. Bring the emergency cart. The patient is not breathing. Check the pulse. Start CPR. We need help here. The patient is stable now. Monitor the patient closely. Prepare the 4-line. The blood pressure is dropping. Check the oxygen level. Call the emergency team. The patient is improving. Stay with the patient. We will transfer the patient. Prepare the stretcher. The patient needs surgery. Inform the doctor. The patient is conscious now.